If you're thinking of quitting YouTube, watch this first. Hi, I'm Kirky, and with this channel, I want to help people around my age, 40 and over, with their small channels to grow, help them get monetized if that's what they want, and also help anyone who's thinking of starting YouTube to start. I saw a stat that said most channels or most YouTubers quit within sort of like 6 months of starting. And I think that's for a number of reasons. I think the biggest reason is just slow progress. I think we get obsessed with getting subscribers, getting views. I think we're putting effort into these videos, and when we don't see the progress we were hoping for, I think it dents our confidence and it knocks a bit out of us. And I think that's when people start to think, well, I'm no good at this, I can't do this anymore, and then they just quit. I think burnout can affect it too. You spend all that time uploading, working on videos, thinking of videos. I just think after a while, people just burn themselves out. Especially people that are uploading regularly, like every day. It's not too bad if you're just doing short videos that are minimal, that has minimum editing. It's not as bad if you're doing short videos that have got minimum editing. Even just to come up with ideas, if you're uploading every day, it's constant racking your brain. What can I talk about today? What can I talk about today? So I think burnout, more mentally than anything, is a big factor. And I think when you're not growing as quickly as you was hoping for, it becomes a bit unrewarding. You can get fed up with the unpredictability of it. You can think, why is the algorithm against me? Why is it pushing such and such video but not my video? And we start comparing ourselves to other channels, other people in our niches. And that's not a good place to be anywhere in life, let alone YouTube. Doubt creeps in that you're actually any good at this, that your videos are just rubbish. You think that you can't do it anymore. But I think we need to realize YouTube's not just a numbers game. We can chase subs, we can chase views, but it's out of our control. But in those first 6 months, the skills you're building up, the confidence you're getting just from recording yourself and uploading it regularly is immense. The skills you're learning on the editing side of things are growing with each video. Learning how thumbnails work, designing thumbnails is growing with each video. And if you looked at your video after 6 months compared to your very first video, I bet you it would be so much better, so different. You would be a different person on the camera compared to your first ever video. The thumbnail will look crisper and better than your first ever video. The editing will be a bit sharper than your first ever video. So those first 6 months to a year, just got to realize that that is your learning curve. That is where you're doing the most growing. Yeah, that's where your most of your growth is happening. Those first 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 videos. And if you keep plugging away, just keep improving little minute bits every video, you will get somewhere. One video will take off. Maybe not go viral, but it will have a positive impact on your channel. Maybe it will boost you 50 subs or 100 subs. Maybe your views will, instead of being 100, 200, shoot up to 1,000. And that will give you renewed confidence that you can do this, that your videos do resonate with people. So don't give up. I know it can be hard. It can be confidence draining that you put a lot of effort into videos and no one seems to resonate with it, but you need to keep going, because it's probably around the time you're thinking of quitting is when that breakthrough could come through. And we just need to keep ploughing on, keep learning, and just remember your why you decided to start your channel, whether if it was just for fun or a hobby, or whether you're like me, you want to get monetized, you want to turn it into a business, you want to quit your 9-to-5 job and you want to help people. Just remember that. Just remember that. Keep that in your mind when you're going through the tough times. When in 6 months down the road, you've got 200 subscribers and barely getting 50 views a video. Just keep thinking, this is all part of the learning curve. This is all part of it. Eventually, your fortunes will change. And it might be one video, or it might be just a series of videos you've done that gradually take you upwards. So that's my advice to you guys. If you're thinking of quitting, please don't. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the learning of it, enjoy the progress, build something, build a community, get to know your audience. We sometimes chase this viral hit, but that can have a negative impact on your channel. It did on my first one. My first video went viral, and before I know it, I had 20,000 subscribers. And most of those at the time watched that first video because it resonated with them. And they subscribed. But a lot of them haven't come back to watch any other videos. Maybe did initially, the first video or two I done afterwards, but that can screw up the algorithm, because now I'm sitting there with 20,000 subscribers, and say YouTube puts it out to 1,000 of them when I release a video, and a lot of them don't watch it. The algorithm then thinks, oh, even his subscribers aren't watching that video, let's not put it out to anyone else. But I think now, over the last sort of like month to 6 weeks, I've been gradually losing subscribers, which I'm not fussed about at all. But I've been gaining and losing. So I think I'm churning over now. I'm getting people leave the channel that aren't interested in my videos anymore. Yet I'm gaining people that have watched my more recent videos and obviously resonate with that. So I think it's slowly turning around. But just be warned, be careful chasing viral videos, because, like I say, they're great. They're a great rush. It will get you monetized instantly, depending how big it gets. But it can also have a negative impact on your channel. That's all I'm saying. Just be careful. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for listening. And again, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for watching again, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.